Hi, my name is Dan, and this is my bike check. Starting at the front, I got Duo, I think they're Homan grips. I cut the flanges off and flipped them around, so the fat end is right there. I like it. Obviously, par ends. This is a Verde Lux, a little bit custom. I got 8-inch rise bars. I want taller bars, but that's just what I got right now. Stock stem. It's pretty nice. It holds well. Stock headset. Stock front forks. Got a roulette front rim. I'm doing a bike check. Roulette front rim and hub. Duo Stunner tire 2.20. Steve Hamilton pedals. Odyssey 12-bolt cranks. KMC purple chain. Animal Sprocket Balboa 25-tooth sprocket. Duo seat. It's pretty nice. Stock post. Duo Stunner tire on the back 2.20. Roulette hub 9-tooth driver, and got a hollow bolt. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, wicked. And that is my bike check.